I hope the MATLAB screen is visible to everybody. So we also here also we'll have quizzes and other things. As and when we get a quiz, I'll ask you. So this is the topic for the day. We are going to our common data analysis operations. So huge chunk of data is available with me. How to analyze the data? So that is what is the goal of the day today. So you see here we have already seen about this database. It is going to have huge data for every month for residential, commercial, industrial, and total. So this is going to be an Excel of data we are going to have for years from 1990 onwards till current date. How can you predict the future electricity usage? So if I have data for the all the 12 months of 1990, can I predict the electricity consumption for the next year, 1991 January? That is possible using MATLAB. See, again, I say it is only going to be prediction and it need not be true. Okay, we are just saying that MATLAB has a feature to predict the next month usage and to forecast the data in the future. You may understand how the different sectors relate to each other, and you can also find the average consumption value for the particular series of years. And there are different techniques you have. You have bar chart, you have constellations, you have scatter plots. So all these techniques can be used to display the data. What is the average consumption? What is the peak consumption? What is the data for a particular month? So everything can be done using MATLAB. So here you see we are going to, in this chapter, we are going to perform trailing average and other moving window operations, linear correlation between data set, fitting and evaluating polynomial models. And for this, we are going to take the data from US Energy Information Administration from this for the this database what you are seeing on the Excel sheet, right? So that is taken from the US Energy Information Administration website for our further understanding.